What's up, YouTube? It's Jermaine back with another video, and I get a question all the time. People always ask, what's up with these hourly guarantees? How do I qualify? Well, first off, to get an hourly guarantee, you have to receive an email from Uber, either an email or a text message. And if they send you an email, well, at least in my market, nowadays, you have to you have to actually open the email, okay, read the email, and then you have to hit claim offer here, okay? So I'm just going to hit it just to show you guys what it does. It takes you to an Uber site, and it says, the offer is now yours. Thanks for the taking. So now you're ready to drive, and it's simple just like that. Now the trick is, one thing I've noticed what's been going on lately is they send these twice a week now. I usually get one towards the beginning of the week and towards the ending of the week. And as you can see, today is Friday, and I received this one 2 days ago. So I've received this one on Wednesday. And I also believe I received one on Sunday. So whenever you get a new notification, you have to hit claim offer, because this week I almost forgot to claim this offer. I claimed it, 2 days ago, of course. But when I got the email, I was excited. When I opened the email, I was like, wow, it's going to be a busy week. And I kind of didn't claim the offer. And I thought, whoa, I got to go back and claim the offer. So it's really important to, hit this button right here, claim offer. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm going to keep this video short. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely spread the word, because there are a lot of drivers that don't know about this claim offer button. So definitely let people know. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.